guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you the 3 easiest way to do the zoom in effect on InShot app. You can do this on your Android phone or on your iPhones. It is literally the easiest things ever. If you're interested in finding out, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into the video. First, go onto your InShot app, click on videos and click on new video or create new video. For this video I'm just working with some random video on my gallery, and just to show you guys, this video is in the format 9:16, so I wanted to switch it to 16:9 so it fits the YouTube format. And after that, it's important to know that using 4 frames is good. It helps you have a fuller effect and longer effect. So I cut mine down to 4 and I wanted to use frame 2 and 3 for the zoom in. So yes, 2 and 3 to zoom in where the effect is going to be. Then I clicked on filter, and then you click on effect and click on the effect that you want, which is slow zoom. So I clicked on the check mark and made sure that it aligned with where I want to zoom in. And after that, I clicked on it to edit and to zoom inward and outward to measure using the meter right there. And once that is done, we're going to look at how it turns out. Perfect. You see the zoom in effect working? Yes. For the second effect, which is the jump zoom, I am just picking another random video and basically following the same step, which is finding 4 frames, zooming in the second and third frame for a longer effect, and then click on filter, click on effect and pick jump zoom this time, and make sure it aligns. After that, edit, and you can zoom in or out to show how much you want it to go in or how far you want it to go out. And once that is done, click the check mark and then play your video again and see it jump in. You see it? Bam. And lastly, for the zoom out feature, I selected another video and followed the same routine. Ensure that you have 4 frames, or even if you have more than 4 frames, just make sure you have a frame before and after the place you're trying to zoom in. So if you're trying to zoom in a particular place to maybe show your face or show your mouth, just make sure there's a frame before and after those frames, and make it long enough, make sure there are 2 or more. So I did the same thing, but this time I chose zoom out, and you can use that meter to measure how outward you want it to go and how far you want it to be. So once that is done, I tried it out, and voila, you can zoom in, slow zoom and jump zoom now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.